I'm Paul. You're here for another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. So I'm working with one of my buddies who runs a steam cleaning truck mount unit, helping him out, and he moves all the furniture, which surprised me. But I've never seen one of these lift buddies. It's a furniture lifting tool. This is a snapshot from Walmart, $49.95. Absolutely incredible. Instead of stooping over and bending to get underneath sofas like this that are low to the ground or heavy furniture, he can actually just slide that underneath, put the, what do you call those, sliders down on the floor, lift up and slide the sliders right underneath with his foot. And then to remove them, it's the same thing. And I was amazed, just absolutely amazed. I've done a couple of jobs with him today to help out. And, the pictures here just showing furniture that's really heavy. And as soon as, I got in the van with him and I agreed to help him, I knew when he said he moves the furniture that maybe I made a mistake. But I'm surprised. Very simple operation. And he did have these little sliders, Scotch sliders. I'll show you a couple pictures of different ones that I was able to capture. But as far as moving furniture, another reason I don't move furniture is the furniture is heavy. When you slide furniture, it creates heat and friction. And I don't know if you've ever been in someone's home where you can see the lines where they pulled drug the furniture when they were moving. These are the sliders, really inexpensive. They make different shapes and sizes. And so you got to be careful, especially on a olefin, like a loop polyester carpet. That pulling of the furniture can snag it, can burn it, permanently damage it. So it's really important that you put a slider under if you're going to move anything. You don't want to be doing this all day long. Carpet cleaning, especially doing the truck mounted steam cleaning. Oh boy, brought back memories helping my buddy out here. Running those hoses, wrapping them around both arms, figure eight. Oh my goodness, what a day. You don't want to be bending over and moving furniture like this, or at least I don't. But anyway, just thought I would share this with you guys. $49.95 can save you and your back. If you're one of those people that do move furniture, I would think that this would be a great investment. And I'm always looking for new tools and always networking with my local competitors out here and buddies of mine to see what they're using, as well as what people and my buddies on YouTube are using. So there you go. That's it for today. I appreciate you joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.